How to create an instrumental in Suno AI. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Suno AI on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Then click on Create on the left side. After you click on Create, here you can add your song description, and then at the bottom you'll find Instrumental. Click on Instrumental at the bottom after you have added your song description. Make sure this tick mark and press on Create at the bottom. After you press on Create, according to the song descriptions, it will make an instrumental sound for you. You can press on the right side and you will find your new instrumental sounds. You can simply click on it and play it. This is how to create an instrumental in Suno AI. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.